Introduction to Azure Synapse SDK. Azure Synapse SDK is a set of libraries and tools that allows developers to build and deploy data integration and analytics solutions on Azure Synapse Analytics. It provides a programmatic way to interact with Azure Synapse and automate tasks such as data loading, transformation, and querying. Key concepts. The Azure Synapse SDK is built around several key concepts including workspaces, pipelines, datasets, and activities. A workspace is the top-level resource in Azure Synapse and contains all the resources and assets needed for data integration and analytics. Pipelines are used to define the data flow and processing logic, while datasets represent the data sources and sinks. Activities are the individual tasks that are executed within a pipeline. Practical example. To get started with the Azure Synapse SDK, you need to install the relevant libraries and import them into your project. For example, in Python, you can use the Azure Synapse Analytics library to create a new workspace and pipeline. You can then define a dataset and activity, and execute the pipeline to load and transform data. Best practices. When using the Azure Synapse SDK, it is best practice to follow a modular and reusable approach to building pipelines and activities. This allows you to easily maintain and update your code, and reuse components across different projects. Additionally, it is recommended to use version control and testing frameworks to ensure the quality and reliability of your code. Benefits and use cases. The Azure Synapse SDK provides a number of benefits and use cases, including the ability to automate data integration and analytics tasks, build custom data pipelines, and integrate with other Azure services. It is commonly used in data warehousing, business intelligence, and data science scenarios, where it provides a flexible and scalable way to build and deploy data solutions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Azure Synapse SDK is a powerful tool for building and deploying data integration and analytics solutions on Azure Synapse Analytics. By following best practices and using the SDK in a modular and reusable way, developers can automate tasks, build custom data pipelines, and integrate with other Azure services. With its ability to automate data integration and analytics tasks, the Azure Synapse SDK is an essential tool for any organization looking to build a modern data platform.